Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Tech Learn with Asi. So this is another part of string function. So today's function we have Patindex. So let's check what is Patindex. So this is the Patindex. You can see that. Let's check the syntax in Microsoft site. So this is the Patindex. It works on all the SQL Server. Okay, and this is the syntax we have. Patindex and the pattern. I will tell you what pattern it is and the expression. Okay, so it is defined that pattern and all, how you can use it. Let me tell you how we can use it. So it is almost similar as your char index only, but in that char index you cannot define a pattern, but here you can define a pattern. See, if I run this, you can see that it is giving me 0 because this supports wildcard operator. If you don't know wildcard operator, I have uploaded my video on wildcard operator, a detailed video. You can check that. I will give you the link in my description. So to using that wildcard operator, you can use like this. Okay, just select and execute. See, this is giving the first occurrence of the character. It will give you the first occurrence of the character. How our char index works, in the same way Patindex also works. Okay, you can define like this also, the range A. Okay, I will go through like okay, so this is the range. I can define C. So it is starting from S. This is the range, and after that you can see that it is the first occurrence of your character. Let me demonstrate with. Okay, so this is my favorite batsman, and let me demonstrate this. M2O. Okay, so see, it is returning S, and we can go from A to E something, and let's see what it is returning. So see, this is first, second, third, and the fourth one D, which is coming in this range. So it is returning that. So Patindex is a function which will return you the position of character which you define in a pattern. Okay guys, so you can we have an interesting example in Microsoft site that we can see that. See, this is the site you have it. This will tell you so many things. Okay, see, the position is coming 33. Why it is returning 33 actually? So here is the range from 0 to 9 or A to Z, capital and small both the letters, and it is not, so it is saying this range should not be here, and this is enclosing the range. Okay, so it is saying any special character which is not in the number or not in the our character, that that character position it should return. So this is the character we have, and you can see that it is in 33 position. So that's how the Patindex works. Okay guys, so let's summarize. Patindex is a same as char index, but in the Patindex you can use a pattern of character which you can see here or here. Okay, and this will return you the position. Okay, one more thing, if there is no value or there is nothing is there, so I will see. so this will return as a 0. If this Patindex doesn't find any kind of pattern, this will return you 0. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching the video, and please share and subscribe.